Hello everyone, good afternoon. So for today's video, I am going to present a self-introductory Kucha. I made this one for educational purpose, especially for compliance in our subject for purposive communication. So let me introduce myself. I am Jana Azores, 20 years old, and I was born on November 30, 2004. With regards to where I live at Barangay Cabusao, Camarines Sur. And I am the daughter of Mr. and Miss Sores. We are six in the family, and I am the youngest, and I have an elder sister and brother. Her name is Juby, Joanne, Joey, Jody, Joel. And during my childhood, I lost my mother when I was only 5 years old. That loss cast a long shadow over my life, shaping my understanding of the world and leaving an imprint that time could never fully erase. And now let's proceed to my primary education. I studied elementary at Pandan Elementary School and I was a normal student. I also experienced being bullied by my classmate because of my teeth. So when I was elementary, I didn't have many friends. And now let's proceed to my junior high school journey. I studied junior high school at Santa Lutgarda National High School. It was here in high school that finally found some friends I could truly call friends. I remember Laika and Nicole. We don't have any pictures together, but even so, I never forget them. When I stepped in senior high school, I transferred in Mother Teresa Colegio de Libmanan. From there, I met different personalities and different kind of approach from people that surrounds me. For 2 years of being a senior high school student, I met these beautiful souls. They ruined the world I built for myself. Their names are Rowena and Angel. For 2 years of being a senior high and now that I am already a college student at Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Sipocot, and I am taking Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science, and I thought I would never met a new friends. Then unexpectedly my life was changed. Met a new friends. Then unexpectedly my life was changed. Met a new friend. Now, let me introduce you my beautiful buddy. Her name is Janine, and she's my long-term enemy. She's my childhood friend also, and the enemy I know the best. Regarding my characteristic, I am introvert because interaction drain my energy. Progressive because I am strong advocate for individual rights and freedoms. And last one, I am independent because I value self-reliance and the ability to take care of myself. And now, let's proceed to my zodiac signs. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, people are people are, according to Kelly, Sagittarius are known to be curious, adventurous, philosophical, and funny. In terms of my music taste, I love the music of Olivia Rodrigo, The Carpenters, Seventeen, and BTS. In terms of my music, proceed to my favorite cartoon is Inside Out 2 and Moana. Proceed to my favorite cartoon is Inside Out 2 and Moana. And then my hobbies, I love reading Wattpad and also love watching K-drama, C-drama because of its unexpected plot twists and not the typical predictable storylines. And let's proceed about my dreams. My dream is to become a teacher because it's a goal my family has always cherished. I choose this path because I want to help children succeed in their education. Our family motto, anuman ang pagsubok na dumaan, basta sama-sama, lahat ng pagsubok ay malalampasan.